Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. And if this is your first time stopping by, please consider subscribing. I want to thank you for stopping by, and if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. In this video, this is a part 2 of a 3-part series of this 3-piece sectional makeover that I recreated to be a R&H cloud couch dupe. Here is a clip again that I put in the last video of what this sectional looks like before I transformed it into my version of the restoration hardware cloud couch. The pillows were thrifted in summer of 2020, and I covered all of those in the same material, which is the drop cloth, painter's drop cloth that I purchased from Amazon. This is the first part of the video series, which is the love seat portion of the 3-piece sectional. And this is the thumbnail. So if you missed this, go back and look at that. And then coming up is what I'll be working on now, and that is the Ottoman. I did do 2 Ottomans for this, but this is the one that actually goes with the sectional. And the other Ottoman is just another piece that I added to this. Here you will see that I am just cutting out the top portion, and I let it overlay past the hem, or not the hem, the threading of the top of the Ottoman, and you'll see what I'm talking about because I use that line to lay the glue all the way around to glue this top piece to the Ottoman. Now, I won't be doing a lot of talking then to this video because this is pretty much self-explanatory through the vision of what I'm doing. So I want to just thank you all again for stopping by. And again, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And don't forget to watch the final video of the chaise, or what some people will say the chaise lounge portion of this 3-part sectional being created, and I will put all 4 pieces together. Actually 5. 2 Ottomans. I'm sorry, 4. 2 Ottomans, the love seat, and the chaise. And again, I want to thank you all for stopping by. much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.